Hello, I am Dr. Joy Verghese, consultant hepatologist and transplant hepatologist from Gleneagles Global Health City, Chennai. In this video, we are going to look into the diagnosis of the alcoholic liver disease. Normally, in alcoholic liver disease, in earlier video, I explained to that there are three stages: alcoholic fatty liver, alcoholic hepatitis, and alcoholic cirrhosis. But if you look into that diagnosis, normally the alcoholic fatty liver is asymptomatic. So there is no symptoms, there is no signs. So only we can diagnose based on the investigation, liver function test and ultrasonogram. These two things play a major role to diagnose alcoholic fatty liver and a detailed history. Why I am telling the detailed history? We know the fatty liver is common in our population due to various risk factors. If the concerned individual have the diabetes, they will have the fatty liver, whether they are drinking alcohol or not. If the concerned individual have the obesity, they will have the fatty liver, or dyslipidemia, they will have the fatty liver. So, to label it as alcoholic fatty liver, so we have to be the clinical, the history is very important. If the individual doesn't have much other comorbidity and he has a significant amount of alcohol intake is there, then the investigation, ultrasonogram shows the fatty liver, we can say this is the alcoholic fatty liver. If the concerned individual will have the other comorbidity, that time very difficult to say whether it is alcohol related fatty liver or either obesity or dyslipidemia or the diabetic related fatty liver. So that time we should not label it as we can simply label fatty liver, Curie alcohol, Curie non-alcohol also. But the history is very important. If the individual taking the more and more alcohol, most probably they will have the alcoholic fatty liver. Second, the diagnostic tool is the alcoholic hepatitis. Apart from that, routine ultrasonogram as well as the liver function test, we can subject the individual to the fibroscan. This fibroscan it has the capacity to analyze fibrosis as well as the quantification of the fat in the liver. So the fibroscan will play a major role, as it is the non-invasive technique and it is widely available throughout the country. If we are seeing any patient with fatty liver, we can request them to undergo fibroscan, because if the fibroscan report comes, there are the grades. So if it shows the more than 12, even though the imaging shows the fatty liver, we can tell to the individual this almost going into the F4 fibrosis. That means pre-cirrhotic. So imaging might show the fatty liver, but the fibroscan will show the pre-cirrhotic. Similarly, if there is the 10, then we can say F3. So there are, based on the grading, we can predict without liver biopsy, we can come to the conclusion it is already going to the fibrosis. If the concerned individual have the cirrhosis, CT abdomen with the triphasic study is the key role, because the CT abdomen with the triphasic study, not only it will tell the architecture of the liver, and it will also assess what about the intra-abdominal collaterals, whether the free fluid in the abdomen or not. Even though mild, it will pick up in the early stage. Second is this SOL in the liver, because cirrhosis is the pre-malignant. So any small SOL, there is a more chances to miss it in the ultrasonogram. So the CT abdomen with the triphasic study will show arterial enhancement and venous washout. So that is the characteristic of the hepatocellular carcinoma. And in case if you identify small SOL, even though 2 centimeter and more than 2 centimeter size, we have to order the tumor marker alpha fetoprotein. So the sensitivity of the alpha fetoprotein is less than 60%, but it will guide us to confirm it is the tumor. So these all are the diagnostic investigation in alcoholic liver disease patient. If you ask what is the key, the liver function test in alcoholic liver disease, AST. AST will be double the time upper limit than the ALT. So AST ALT ratio will be more than 2 in alcohol related liver disease. This is only the before cirrhotic. If the once cirrhosis happen, then this AST ALT ratio is not that much valid. Thank you.